Thusi responds to Robert Marawa's old shade. Thusi has taken a swipe at her ex Robert Marawa, nearly 3 months after he threw some subtle shade her way. Shortly after news of their split broke in August, Robert took to Twitter to praise Pearl's nemesis Banan Masilela. Robert insinuated that Banan was the best TV presenter in the business. Good luck, champ. Another one for her trophy cabinet. He posted shortly before the inaugural DSTV Mzansi Viewers' Choice Award, where Banan was nominated for Best TV Presenter. He added, "There's no such an field right now. Maybe in the year 2068. Go. Collect. Go home. Simple." Social media users accused Robert of being bitter, accusing him of disrespecting Pearl, who has had her fair share of TV presenting gigs. Pearl kept mum at the time, and ignored her ex's shade. But we should have known that the actress would not let this one slide. Pearl made headlines this week after she was pictured filming scenes in Cape Town for an international movie called Scorpion King. The 29-year-old plays a warrior princess in the movie, which is set to be released on DVD in 2018. Pearl took to Twitter to share a tweet with a celebration and fire emoji. 2069 is upon us. Pearl posted.